Today I'd like to give you a quick and simple tool to help you determine if indulging in a food item is actually worth it. Credit goes to Aaron Power of Eat Simple for giving me this nifty idea. So for my example, one of the things I really like to eat is popcorn. Now it's not the worst thing in the world to consume, but it's a far cry from a health food item. So when deciding if I should make a bowl of popcorn for a treat, I first determine on a scale from 1 to 10 how the popcorn rates on the pleasure points scale. I'd say the first couple of bites of that popcorn's buttery, salty goodness is a 10 out of 10. By the end of the bowl, it's probably a 6 out of 10, so I'll give popcorn an 8 points out of 10 on the pleasure scale. The next thing I have to factor in with my popcorn example is how it rates on the pain points scale. So when I eat a huge bowl of popcorn, I get bloated. If I'm honest with you, I admit I eat it mindlessly. I'm not sitting down at a table with a bowl and savoring each bite. No, I'm watching TV and I'm just popping the kernels in my mouth, one after another. I've noticed I sleep worse and I often get a headache after consuming popcorn. So on the pain scale, I'd give popcorn 7 out of 10 points. So if popcorn gives me 8 pleasure points and 7 pain points, that amounts to a whopping 1 net point. 1 net point. Now, doing these simple mathematical calculations ahead of time, I'll be better equipped to make an adult decision to determine whether or not I really want popcorn. I'll get to decide ahead of time if eating popcorn is truly worth it. I might even have to go to my pantry and write a big 1 with a Sharpie on the popcorn bag to remind me of its 1 net point. Or maybe if I know it only gives me 1 net point, I can decide if it's not even worth it and throw it out. What I like most about this system is that it takes temptation and willpower almost totally out of the equation. I'm now just reducing it down to a simple cost and benefit ratio to make better decisions that serve me. And this cute little scale system works for just about anything else too. So take exercise, for example. I might give an easy 30-minute daily walk a 1 out of 10 on the pain points scale, but it'll give me such great physical and mental benefits, so I might rate it a 9 out of 10 on the pleasure points scale, giving me 8 net points. Another way to look at that is that it's 8 times the benefits of a bowl of popcorn. Wow. I wonder what would happen if I actually took my bowl of popcorn with me on my next walk.